Hello, I'm CG Yan. This is a quick video to show how to rotate image in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template. In this tutorial, I will use an Instagram post. I click it to create an Instagram post. Next, we can import image. I have an image downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I drag and drop into Canva. So the image is imported. If we want to rotate it, we can select it and we can find the rotate icon, click and drag to rotate it. Alternative, we can go to position and then we can go down to advanced. We can find the rotate value here. We can type the value. For example, we can type 45 degree and press enter. So it rotated in 45 degrees. So this is how we can rotate image in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yan. See you in the next video. Bye bye.